Hi, this article is related to dynamical modeling of the brain function connectivity using the coupled oscillators. So in MATLAB basically. So in this basically the brain function connectivity is basically very crucial for the understanding of brain function for and dysfunctions. So in the dynamical system approach to model the functional connectivity for the coupled of Kuramoto oscillators, a network of 68 brain regions, were basically simulated with the realistic structural connectivity and the neural dynamics as well. So in the synthetic pole, signals basically were generated and the functional connectivity was estimated using the Pearson correlation. So in the node strength, basically global synchrony and the network matrices characterize the brain's functional organization. So the Kuramoto was one of the scientists who just provided us the model with the widely used to study of synchronization in the complex systems. So the model basically reproduces the key features of empirical functional connectivity, and the results basically showed that how the functional connectivity is shaped by the underlying and structural connectivity. So in the Chromato models, it also provides us a effective framework for the understanding of brain network dynamics according to the strongest and the Chromato models that can be used to explore the onset of synchronization in the populations of coupled oscillators. So finally, in this potential, this study basically demonstrates the potential of computational models to implement the empirical studies of brain functional connectivity. I have just written the complete abstract with the introduction. Like in the introduction, I have just added how the empirical studies using the functional magnetic resonance imaging and the electro electrocephalography basically EEG, okay, have revealed the functional connectivity patterns and that are shaped by the underlying the structural connectivity. So this is a human body, like few of our neurons we just connected for the testing purpose. Like these neurons are connected with each other with specific connection point, which is called functional connectivity. And the Chromato model basically provide us like how the brain function connectivity coupled oscillators and their synchronization dynamics. Okay. So in the 68 brain regions, basically with a realistic structural connectivity and the neural dynamics provide us the bold signals, and these signals were used to estimate the function connectivity. And our main goal is to understand how function connectivity patterns emerge from the interactions of neural oscillators and to identify the key factors that shape the functional connectivity. So basically, in the function of and the function connectivity, brain function and function connectivity uses different brain regions. It's global coupling strength, integration step, total simulation time, fMRI repetition time. So these are the table and the values which we have used in the MATLAB code to simulate our brain functionality according to Kuramoto's model. Okay, so this figure represents the brain function connectivity with the using the Kuramoto solutions and the structural connectivity, neural activity, bold signals, and the functional connectivity matrices as well. So here's the importance. Importance is that we need to just implement and the synchronization phenomena in the complex networks, and we also need to investigate the neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and the Parkinson's disease as well. So additionally, basically, The computation model also predict the effects of interventions such as brain stimulation or the pharmacological treatments as well. Okay, so the background is that how the Kuramoto model and its application are synchronization with our complex networks, including the brain networks. Objectives are objectives are same, like how the model provides us the effective and the understanding of brain networks dynamics, and uh, how we can identify the brain disorder with its brain's functionality, and how the computational and empirical approaches can combine with the comprehensive understanding of brain function. Okay, so the problem statement is that we cannot identify the diseases of brain before the uh, death of the person, so that's why we just use this idea to implement to identify the disease uh, with its basically treatment. Okay, so here is a mathematical model which is used in the brain network. So these are the brain network model methodology as well. These are the mathematical expressions with the methodology defined. Design of MATLAB simulations with its analysis structural connectivity as well. The structural connectivity provide us the figure to basically natural frequencies of oscillators, physics dynamics basically as well, and the neural activity. These are the neural activity outputs, hemodynamic response function as well, simulated bold signals, and the functional connectivity Pearson correlation. And next one is a global synchrony Kuramoto order parameters output results. And this is the structural connectivity with the functional connectivity node strength basically in the brain structure distribution of function connectivity node strength. Okay, so then the results and discussions basically provide us like how the bold uh, time series with the structural connectivity matrix with the phase time series and neural activity are functional, and the function connectivity are generated through the MATLAB code, and it provides us the results as well accordingly. Okay, so then conclusion and the references. Let me provide you the MATLAB out in terms of structural connectivity. Okay, dynamic behavior of MATLAB. Brain functions. These are the brain functions. You just need to run this MATLAB code. It will take some time, then provide us the exact output results. Okay, I think there's a problem in the MATLAB. Let me check it. Basically, this is my 2025 newer version of MATLAB. Some of the MATLAB tools are not installed in it, so that in the previous version, which is basically MATLAB 2021, which installed all the tools. So let me just open it and just record the video for you. Okay. This MATLAB takes some time to uh, open, and then we will run it, and I will provide us the output. I will provide you the output results as well. Then let's wait. So our MATLAB is in running condition right now. Let me just open the MATLAB code. Dynamic modeling behavior of brain function. Okay, so let's run it again. That provide us the complete natural frequencies output results according to phase time series with the figure like of neural activity. Okay, so these are the output results accordingly. Function connectivity Pearson correlation with the stimulated bold signals. Hemodynamic response function as well. These are the natural activity, phase dynamics, natural frequencies oscillators, and the structural connectivity. So all these results provide us our functional connectivity with the structural connectivity of brain function. So you just need to run it and you will get the output results. Okay, thank you.